This is Mazwi Kumalo. In a few years, when Mazwi elects to study chemistry at a leading university, he will remember that the roof of his treehouse used to leak during thunderstorms. What he knew at the time was that the roof slats of his treehouse were too far apart. What he didn't know was that his umbrella kept him dry because it was made from polyethylene, a material formed from 4 hydrogen and 2 carbon atoms, creating a long chain, a combination too dense for water molecules to penetrate. Later on, he will realize that there are many more combinations of hydrogen and carbon that exist throughout the known universe, and that Sasol, an international integrated energy and chemicals company, creates value through its products that influence his daily life. He will realize that Sasol plastic products can be found in sandwich bags and lunch boxes, and that shoe polish, wax crayons, lipsticks, and candles are produced from Sasol waxes. He will also discover that organic solvents are used in producing cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, adhesives, inks, and paints, which also play a role in his and his family's daily interactions. Acetone, a substance that combines these elements with oxygen, can be found in everyday nail polish remover. Of course, he would later come to learn that hydrogen is found in many other places too. When combined with nitrogen, it forms ammonia, something found in most kitchens as a general-purpose cleaner for many surfaces. Mazwi will also learn that apart from helping his mother, the nitrogen in ammonia is the same building block that occurs in fertilizers, which are used to grow and produce healthy plants, yet another benefit of a Sasol product. Fertilizers are composed of different elements, including potassium, magnesium, calcium and phosphorus. And adding hydrogen to phosphorus and oxygen leads to a substance known as phosphoric acid. After learning this, every time Mazwi takes a sip of a soft drink and gets that tangy aftertaste, he will remember just how flexible hydrogen is and how chemistry is everywhere. He'll find out that when combined with the chlorine molecule in the right combination with ethylene, a substance called EDC-VCM is created. And without this, it would be very unlikely that the hard plastic known as polyvinyl chloride or PVC could be manufactured, meaning that his ventures into DJing would not be possible without his precious vinyl. He'll learn in years to come that chlorine, when bonded with sodium and oxygen, creates a powerful whitening solution called bleach. And he will wonder no more about how his mother managed to keep his shirts quite so white. He'll also wonder less about how she kept his clothes clean when he realizes that sodium can bond with many other substances. Sodium hydroxide, for example, is a chemical used in making washing detergents and soaps, and often used to dissolve grease and fats left on glass bakeware. And he'll remember with fondness that sulfur is a principal component of bitumen, a thick, sticky substance derived from crude oil and coal, which is used to hold stones together on paved roads and to waterproof rooftops. Mazwi now understands that the universe is made up of millions of interconnected building blocks, and having a roof that doesn't leak is just about knowing which building blocks to use. Through his daily interactions with products and chemistry, he has learned that Sasol is a global company involved in mining, energy, chemicals and synthetic fuels. The company's innovative worldwide proprietary technology uses hydrocarbon reserves to produce fuels and chemicals which are indeed everywhere. So, next time you're at home getting into a car or just packing your lunchbox, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating and diverse world of chemistry and how Sasol really is everywhere, every day.